Hello friends, this is Pradeep and welcome to my channel. So this week we are taking a view on Bank Nifty once again. We'll just analyze previous 5 6 weeks movement for Bank Nifty and then come to the conclusion as to where it's like to move in coming week. So if you look at these big candles, red candles, these candles are indicating a lot of selling, and then that selling was absorbed in this level at around 45,000 level. It was absorbed on closing basis. Actually, it went down to around 44,400. So that kind of level, but from there was some buying interest, and then it recovered. Next week, it formed something called bullish harami, and bullish harami basically indicates, or any harami pattern on weekly chart will indicate that the prior trend is likely to change. So here, the prior trend was a fall; it was bearish trend here. So that was indicated that it may not fall further. So there was some volatility, but it may not fall further. So that's what actually happened. Next week again there was selling pressure. Bears, जो sellers, those sellers are trying to take it down, but then there was some buying interest on the lower side, and it recovered from that level also. uh, Prior week, last week, I think it closed with strength. If you look at the lower shadow, there is a long lower shadow, not so much of upper shadow. But the candle, the body was strong. That green body is indicating strength, and it firmly actually closed beyond this particular bearish body. So that indicated that there's some steam left in the market, and there was a buying interest. This week, understandably, it opened up with a gap, but the buying interest soon fizzled out. It went up and then it came down to close with a small gain for the week. So it is more like a star-like body, which indicates uh, uncertainty to an extent. Now, all these patterns are basically from Japanese candlesticks as a subject. So that is a very potent tool, and for those who are a student of the market, want to make money in the market, I think that is a very potent tool that you should master. So this channel has the objective of actually imparting some education to people, so that they stop losing money and then start making money. So in this particular case, after this starlight pattern and upper shadow, which still indicates there's some selling on the upper side, higher side, possibly from those people who couldn't sell at this level earlier, about 1.5 month, 2 months back. So that selling is there. If you look at the lower weeks of this candle, that is forming a level which is like to act as a resistance. So here that level is at around 47,095. But round figure wise, I think 47,000 you can assume that it's a critical level, and it can attract some selling at around that level. On the upside, if you look at it, beyond that, it is like to hit around 48,636. So that is the Fibonacci level that one should look at. So since lot of selling and distribution has happened in this particular band, we may not see a swift rally beyond this zone in coming week. We will need further evidence for rally. The trigger has to be strong. So this way, I think the conclusion is that we may see some upside in the coming week. Okay, that may get fizzled out because of this particular zone. There could be some selling in store for buyers, and it can turn choppy at around these levels. So be cautious for the next week and trade with a strict stop loss. So that's the view at this point of time from me. If you like this kind of clear and crisp views, then do subscribe to the channel, and I'll be able to serve you better. The more number of people subscribe to the channel, more number of people will get benefited, and that will encourage me further. So stay in touch, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.